Are you a landlord frustrated managing your property? We at Paradigm Management can help. Recently, we had a landlord who was facing some of the most common yet stressful challenges managing their condo in downtown Toronto. Delayed payments, tenant damages, and endless maintenance issues were draining the client's time and finances. When they reached out to us at Paradigm Management, we took immediate action, handling everything through tenant screening to rent collection, maintenance, and even legal disputes. With a deep understanding of the industry's best practices and legal requirements, we were able to streamline the entire process, reduce risk, and protect their investment. As a result, they were able to focus on expanding their portfolio while we ensured consistent cash flow and minimized stress. And it's not just them. Our proven approach has helped countless landlords safeguard their investment and achieve long-term success. If you're a landlord looking for professional, hassle-free property management solutions, call us today at 416-613-8866 and we will provide you a tailored strategy to protect and grow your investment.